Today we're going to demonstrate battery replacement for a TS811 ultrasonic monitor. Go ahead and get the screws out. We're going to flip it upside down. Before Phillips head screws. One thing to note, there is a sticker covers one of the screws. It says warranty void if removed. However, if we've sent you a replacement battery set, you are authorized to go ahead and remove that sticker. One thing to note as you separate the base from the monitor is the rubber gasket. Want to be very careful that it doesn't become dislodged. Then of course inside of the unit you can see the 4 C cells. Go ahead and remove the old batteries and insert your replacement batteries. And you want to be careful with this connector here. Give you another look at the top side. It is keyed. Go ahead and reinsert it. Mindful of that gasket, of course. Retighten the screws. Be careful not to over tighten. You can strip them out. It's going to hand tighten at the end there. You should be all set. Be sure to let the TankScan support team know to verify transmission to the web portal.